Alright, good morning guys. Here we are down by the Turon River, bright and early. The sky has cleared up amazingly this morning and we are left with an absolutely beautiful atmosphere here. Now this place doesn't actually have a campground name, it's just on the road in between Safala and Hill End. And the Turon River, obviously there's many spots that you can camp along the Turon throughout its duration, but at the moment it is flowing quite fast. You can actually camp over the other side just over there, but it requires you to drive across the river, and unfortunately it doesn't look like that's possible, and I'm definitely not going to try it without somebody else here to pull me out if things go wrong. But I'm just going to go back to camp. When I woke up this morning I seen a nice big blop in the river, like a big fish just jumped out. So I'm going to go fish for a little while and then we'll cook up a nice breakfast and I'll show you guys around this place. Alright guys, now for breakfast we've got something real simple. I'm just making a basic omelette. I've got some sliced shallots and some diced chorizo as well as some bacon bits. And we're just going to chuck them in first, cook them off, and then we're going to put the egg on top and pronto, that's our omelette. So let's get into it. That's cool. So that's coming along well. Just make sure that when you're cooking this stuff you oil your pan, otherwise it's going to get stuck. Right, so this is my breakfast. Now I'll show you Nathan's. Let's have a look at this primitive style of cooking. Wow, doesn't that remind you of classic camp cooking, doesn't it? Yeah. Look at that, that's coming along real nice. I'm really looking forward to eating this. I don't know if you're looking forward to eating that half melted bean soup. That yeah.
Protein in a cup.
Protein in a cup looks like crap in a cup. Well, there you have it, the camp omelette. Now that looks really nice, doesn't it? Now I'm ready to smash this. Well, after an awesome night, we were keen to just chill around for the day and admire the amazing scenery of the New South Wales Hill Country. Be sure to check out part 1 to see all the action as well as an awesome dinner. Alright, we've moved along the side of the river after breakfast. It was a Tops breakfast, by the way, and we've seen a bit of fish activity just over out there. Right up against the back wall. So Jared has switched from the Halco twisty lure to this old orange bib lure that we had laying around from Windermere Dam last year. This is just a bit of fun. I mean, don't even know if it's the right type of lure or anything like that, but we'll see how we go. The tranquility of this place was just absolutely amazing. It's just one of those places that you could go to and enjoy for what seems like forever. We were devastated that we only had a single day to enjoy it, and after this trip we will absolutely be coming back here for a longer time period. Now it's time to reveal what happened on this trip that made it so awesome. The odds of something like this happening at a place like this in the bush was so slim, and I think that's what makes it so cool. Alright guys, the coolest thing in the world just happened. Like, to explain it to you guys, we are literally like in the middle of nowhere. The chances of something like this happening are so low, and like this just made my entire year. Like, so I was sitting by the fire, and in this spot not much traffic comes through. Over the other side of the river back here there's some trails that go off to Whoop Whoop. I'm just sitting by the fire and these cars come down into the side there, and I instantly recognized who it was. And here is Tyler Thompson and his dad rolling down like just past us, and I'm just sitting there like absolutely bamboo, like dumbfounded. Like, that the odds of something like this happening in a place like this are so slim. And that was cool, and I got to meet Tyler and his dad, spoke to his dad a little bit, really cool dude. And then I got to video them crossing the Turon River just behind me here, so I'll play that for you now. Man, that was so cool. Well, that will be all from us today, guys, of our quick overnight adventure into the New South Wales Hill Country. I have to say, this was pretty awesome. We will remember this little trip for a long time, especially that last little surprise at the end. So if you enjoyed this video just as much as we did, guys, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Tell me what you thought in the comments section below. Stay keen for more adventures. We're going to try and get as many as we can under our belt this year. It's going to be a big year, so make sure you subscribe, and as always, we'll see you in the next adventure.